Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. Today we will do chapter 7 types of cloths. So open everyone 53 page number. Yes beta, we are wearing different types of clothes according to the weather, according to the seasons. There are different seasons like summer season, winter season, rainy season and autumn season. So we are wearing clothes according to the seasons. Now these days, summer season is going on. So in summer season, we wear the cloths which are made of cotton. Means we wear the cotton cloths. And the cotton cloths like t-shirts, shirts, kurta pajama, skirts, jeans, etc. And in the winters we are wearing woolen cloths. The types of woolen cloths are pullover, muffler, jacket, coat, gloves, socks, etc. And what do we wear in the rainy season? Yes, we wear gumboots, raincoat, and we use the umbrella. Not only these, some of the special occasions are there like marriages, birthday parties, wedding anniversaries and our family functions. So we are wearing the new cloths on the functions and some silk cloths. So there are variety of cloths and we will study all these things in this chapter. Now see here, Reena wants to keep her woolen and cotton cloths separately. Can you help her in this work? Write C for cotton cloths and W for woolen cloths in the boxes given below. So let's start with this coat first of all. Coat is used to wear in the winter. So write here W. This is woolen cloth. This is frock. Frock can be wear in the summer. So this is made of cotton. This is of cotton cloth. Next is t-shirt. T-shirt is also cotton cloth. Then this is pullover. And we can say sweater. It is also called a woolen cloth. Then jacket, woolen cloth, gloves, woolen cloths, shirt. This is made of cotton and skirt, both are of cotton. Right here see, this is also skirt, also can be worn in the summer. So right here cotton. And this is shorts. Shorts also boys are wearing. These can be wear in the summer. So write cotton. And this is muffler. Muffler can be wear in the winter. So write here W. Now take out page number 54 everyone. We wear clothes to cover ourselves. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, wind and rain. They also protect us from insects and dust. We wear different clothes in different seasons. Yes children, we wear clothes to cover ourselves. Means with the help of clothes we are covering our body. And clothes protect us from heat, cold, wind and rain. As I told you, we are wearing the cotton cloths in the summers and the cotton cloths absorb the sweating and moisture from our body. Same from the cold. When there is a winter season, when there is a cold, so we are wearing many cloths like pullovers, shawls, mufflers, gloves, caps to keep ourselves warm. And same way from the wind and from the rain. To protect from rain, we are wearing raincoat, gumboots, etc. We will study in the next video. So children, just go through it. Take care. Goodbye.